Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with another broke with expensive taste video. Now, this video, I almost kind of feel let down because this particular item is the cheapest item that I found up until this point, but honestly, I guess you get what you pay for regardless of the brand, but there was an expectation considering the brand that I had. Today's brand, or rather this week's brand on the series, is Cartier, and this is the packaging that I got for my Cartier item, and needless to say, it leaves a lot to be desired. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys, let you check it out. Here is our item and the packaging that it comes in, and we'll go ahead and unbox it. Now keep in mind, you know, the kind of packaging that we've got with the other items, and you know, I'm guessing this is a receipt or a return label or something like that. But yeah, I'll go ahead and open this up, and again, this whole experience is just not very luxury. So here is our item, and if you're wondering what this item is, this is a pen refill, specifically a blue ink pen refill. So yeah, it says Cartier on it. Alright, and if you're wondering how much this pen refill was, it was $8.81, and I believe that's what I paid with shipping and everything. Like I said, this is the very cheapest item. I think the next cheapest item was several $100s. So I mean, shouts out to their refills being really cheap. I'd imagine if you decided to invest in a Cartier pen, you know, the lifetime of the pen, so long as you don't lose it, is probably going to be forever because of how cheap these pen refills are. My plan is to probably try and put this into a regular pen and use it, but let's just go ahead and see if it writes, shall we? I mean, it's a pen after all. I have my little notebook here that I use for YouTube, so I'm gonna try and write a little. So I have a notebook here, and I'm gonna attempt to write with this, and we'll see if it's any good. Right away, I'll tell you that it writes no problem. Okay, let's see here. And I mean, it writes great. Nice ballpoint pen. Lots of ink coming out of the tip. I could probably write with it just like this. Apparently, I guess this expires or maybe dries out in November 2022. I mean, it's a pen refill. I mean, there's not much to it. Like I said, they packaged it really basic. I would imagine that if I got something a bit more expensive from Cartier, that it would have come with a bit more fanfare. All of the other items that I've gotten up until this point average around $25 to $35 for most of the brands. So this was by far the cheapest thing that I found, let alone find something under $10. So I'll say, as far as cost is concerned, this is awesome. It'll be interesting to see how long this pen refill lasts me. I'm very curious to see, you know, like if it'll, you know what I'm saying, if there's enough ink in this thing to like last me a really long time and justify getting Cartier pens versus ballpoint or something like that. But yeah, I was really disappointed with how this was packaged. I mean, it comes in a nice little Cartier box, but other than that, I mean, the packaging was super basic. Like, this could have been an Amazon package, the way that it came. They sent me the receipt, and it's got, so I don't want to give away my address here, and it's got little Cartier letter. I mean, they sent me a receipt and it's got the little Cartier letterhead on it or whatever, but this is really basic. Again, no amount on how much it was, should this be a gift. There's a part of me that's almost like redo Cartier, like give it another go, because I'm kind of let down by the experience. I feel like the Cartier experience should probably be better than this, but there's also another part of me that's just like, onward and upward, honey. This is what you get. This was the cheapest item, and the whole name of the game with this series is getting the cheapest item and seeing what it's, you know, what experience you get buying the cheapest item from a brand. And I'll be completely honest with you, if this is how they send their pen refills, it is what it is, you know? So yeah, I got a Cartier pen refill. It's a pen, it's practical. I haven't done some very obvious brands like Prada, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, and things like that. So I hope to have those videos down the pipeline soon, and I'm hoping to continue to do this series until I run out of designer brands. I'm doing this only with brands that I buy online, but obviously once stores and things like that start opening up, I'll probably try and start finding things in branded stores, should that be an option. My local mall isn't a high-end mall, so I doubt I'm going to be able to find like luxury goods in the mall that's close to my house. But in the meantime and in between time, I am online scouring the web for useful things only that are the cheapest on these people's websites. So yeah, if you have any comments, questions, if there are specific brands that you'd like to see me try and find the cheapest item on, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit the notification bell. And until next time, peace.